Let's be honest here. Many of us think that the United Arab Emirates is just for skyscrapers, Bugattis, and lavish lifestyles. But guess what? That nation of Ferrari world and crazy expensive 7-star hotels is now the first Arab country to not only send a probe but to also research and successfully explore the beautiful red planet Mars and try to do the same in the moon. It has also sent not just one but many people to space. The United Arab Emirates, a country with a bold vision, has embarked on a big journey into the cosmos. So without any further ado, let's discover the amazing story of the UAE as it explores the space. We will see how this country is reaching for the stars.
So, the UAE has shown an interest in space since the 1970s when His Highness Sheikh Zayed met with NASA's Apollo moon landing team. It was through this meeting that the nation's enthusiasm for astronomy and space sciences was sparked. Eventually, a national focus on space led to the establishment of Thuria Communications Company in 1997 and Al Yah Satellite Communications Company Yahsat in 2007.
UAE government investments into space started when His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum and 5 engineers started the Emirates Institution for Advanced Science and Technology on 6 February 2006. It was a huge leap for UAE. Almost 3 years later, the EIA and his team made the Dubai Sat-1, which was UAE's first satellite on 29th July 2009. It was made with the help of a Korean company, Satrec Initiative, who also made satellites such as KitSat-1 and etc. Exactly 4 years later, on 21st November 2013, the Dubai Sat-2 was launched. Both satellites proved to be useful for tracking the progress of UAE developmental projects and for disaster management. And after that, satellites such as CubeSat Naif 1 and KhalifaSat were launched on 2017 and 18 respectively. Then the UAE space industry made history by launching the first Mars probe of the Middle East, the Hope probe of the Emirates Mars mission on 20th July 2020, and they attempted the same in the moon with the Emirates Lunar mission on 11 December 2022. These days, the UAE is also sending humans to space. It has done so on 25th September 2019 when UAE sent its astronaut Hazza Al Mansouri to the International Space Station. After him, astronauts such as Sultan Neyari made his mark on space with the UAE flag. The UAE astronaut program was initiated in April 2017 by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the President of the United Arab Emirates, and His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Vice President of the UAE and the ruler of Dubai, to prepare Emirati astronauts for scientific space exploration missions and to inspire children to be interested in science and technology. So, you might be asking,
How can it do so many things without a rocket?
actually, it did not become successful despite not having a rocket, but it became successful because it doesn't have a rocket. So many space agencies use a technique called leapfrogging, in which agencies focus on advanced technologies and outsourcing the normal technologies instead of wasting time in making the base technologies from scratch, which takes a lot of time. Let me explain leapfrogging with a simple example. For example, Sheila is a businesswoman and she owns a jewelry business. She gets a client called Sunita Behmani, a very rich woman who wanted a big beautiful gold necklace with diamonds and it should have a photo. Sunita lives in Jamnagar while Sheila lives in Bengaluru. Making gold necklaces was new and unfamiliar to Sheila, as she knew only how to make simple bead necklaces and gold bangles. So she took help from her mother Sakina, who made the best necklaces in town, to do the base work of making a necklace from gold, while Sheila decorated it with diamonds. And she hired FedEx to transport these bangles instead of taking the hassle of arranging a truck and hiring a driver and paying the cost of petrol. Because of this, she was able to make and deliver the bangles with good efficiency. Just like that, as the UAE did not have major scientific establishments back then now, or the funds, so it relied on outside help to make huge progress, which helped UAE to achieve its goals and not waste time on building rocket or other base technologies. Many organizations used foreign help such as ISRO and NASA for their space missions to increase efficiency. This strategy is the reason why UAE became advanced in the space race. Okay, now you will say that.
Why did UAE blew rockets into space?
Okay, let me tell you why did UAE venture into the space sector. So, the space sector creates high-skilled jobs in engineering, science and technology. Like literally, a lot of jobs exist just because of space travel. Also, research and development in space leads to innovations applicable to various industries. For example, many inventions such as frozen food exists because of space travel. Space travel helps to alleviate poverty by deterring rains and storms, which helps the farmer to increase their yield. Satellites also help in urban planning, and satellites also allows us to watch TV and see Ronaldo scoring a goal or see cartoons. Satellite technology also improves internet access through internet satellite services such as OneWeb or Starlink. Space exploration pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and it inspires children to take up the field of science and technology. Space exploration can contribute to finding new resources and sustainable solutions. The UAE gains international recognition as a leader in science and technology, and UAE can collaborate with other space agencies to improve diplomatic relations. The UAE space program is aiming for the red planet, which we lovingly call Mars. Quite literally. With a bold vision extending far beyond Earth, the nation is setting its sights on Mars as a primary target. Their ambitious plans involves creating a simulated Martian environment right here on Earth, known as Mars Science City. This futuristic project is a crucial step towards understanding the challenges of human life on the red planet and developing the technologies necessary for a potential manned mission in 2117. Beyond Mars, the UAE is committed to expanding its astronaut program, contributing to international space collaborations, and pushing the boundaries of space exploration. By investing heavily in research and development, the nation's long-term goal is to inspire future generations and contribute to the global knowledge base, and ultimately establish a sustainable human presence beyond our home planet. So, the UAE went from zero to hero in space, pretty much. They started dreaming big and haven't stopped since. From building satellites to planning trip to Mars. These guys are out of this world. It's crazy to think how far they have come. Can you imagine living on Mars? Yeah, neither can we. But the UAE is making it happen with international collaboration. So next time you think that UAE is just for Bugattis and Burj Khalifa only, wait for 100 years and you might see a mini UAE up there. So hope you like this video and please share this to everyone. Thank you.